Here I am on the page for events, field trips, and programs, and I want to help you sign up for regional office events, field trips, or Family Link events. Before I do that, let's back up and show you how to get to this page in Buzz. So whenever you first log in, you go to your dashboard. And on your dashboard, you'll have all these navigation tools on the side. One of them is labeled Go to School Information and Resource Center. When I click on that, it takes me to Buzz, where I can see all the different course styles and pages for things at PA Cyber. So whether I want to find information about fine arts, the attendance department, or in this case, events, field trips, and programs. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that one. It takes me to the page I just was on, and I was telling you this is where you'll find all the information to sign up for regional office events, Family Link activities, and virtual field trips. So here's the folder contents below. We want to go to specifically events and field trips. However, I encourage you to take a look at the other folders here because you'll find other relevant information such as who are the staff, Artreach activities, a PA Cyber store where you can get PA Cyber apparel. So again, you might want to check those out as well as what's in this video. So we're going to go to events and field trips. It opens in two folders. There's in-person and there's virtual. Let's start with the first folder, in-person. Right away you can see that it's grouped by parts of Pennsylvania. So if you were in central, eastern, or western Pennsylvania, you already have the ability to narrow down what in-person activities just based on these three folders. So if you want to go to an event in western PA, you just open that folder and you'll see all the events. RO stands for Regional Office Event. FL stands for a Family Link event. And every time you click on one of these, it's going to open the flyer for that event, so you'll find the information about where it is, when it is, how to register. So we're going to open up one of these just to get started. Let's go with the one I'm hovering on right here, Pittsburgh Warrendale Regional Office Kickoff. This is a regional office event. So I click on it, and the flyer opens up. So here I have the information about that event. It tells me when it is, what time, it tells me who's invited. So this is an event that you can attend with your student. And it even gives me the address. And there's this spot here to click to RSVP. I'm going to go ahead and click on that just to show you that these will be an online form where you'll fill in the information, and then you'll hit submit at the bottom of that form so that you're registered or RSVP'd for that event. Okay. So I'm going to go back to this page here. I'm going to just back this up right where we just were. So we just looked at a regional office event marked with RO. Let's take a look at a Family Link event marked with FL. So I click on this, and it brings me to the flyer for that event. So here's the Zoo Rendezvous. And this is actually at many locations, so you might find information for Zoo Rendezvous in other folders other than just Western PA. But you can see that there are many locations that you can go to be part of a PA Cyber Zoo event. So the dates in those locations are listed here, the cost per person to attend, the start time, and more importantly, the registration form over here. So I'm going to go ahead and open the registration form and just show you, again, very similar to what you just saw for registering for a regional office event. You'll register for an in-person Family Link event this way. All right? And again, some of these might take multiple steps. This says a next button, but you'll hit submit at the end, and that's how you'll know that your submission has been made. All right, so we're going to back this up one last time. And we're going to now look at the other folder, so not the in-person folder, but instead the virtual folder. So when I open up the virtual folder, you'll see the icons are all the letter V, meaning a virtual field trip. So let's go ahead and just open up. I'm going to start with this one here, and we'll look at the flyer, and you'll see the information for this virtual event. It states the day and the time, where it's located, in this case online, the intended audience, students grades K to 8 in this case, and again, a registration form. So when I click on that registration form, again, I'll be taken to an online form where I'll enter in the right information, hit submit to sign up for that event. So I'm going to back up out of this here and just show you one last time. There's a lot of great information here. This video only looked at events and field trips, but if you want to find out more information about other activities around PA Cyber, you can certainly come to this page and find out about other things to get involved with events, field trips, and programs. Thank you for watching.